Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable pre-market trading on ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, we'll make sure your charts display pre-market activity clearly so you can see price action before the regular session begins. Follow along on the ThinkorSwim platform, and I'll explain what each choice does so you know why you're making it. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim app and signing in. Once you're in, head straight to a chart for any stock you want to review. Clicking into the chart first helps you apply settings exactly where you need them. Next, change the chart's time frame to show 10 days. A 10-day view gives you several recent sessions at a glance, which makes it much easier to confirm that pre-market candles are appearing once we turn them on. If you prefer, you can still use your usual intraday aggregation like 1 or 5 minutes. The key is having a window wide enough to recognize extended sessions. Now look for the chart settings. You can use the gear icon on the chart or open settings from the charts menu. Inside settings, navigate to the equities section. Here, locate any control related to time filters, often labeled simply time or a similar restriction, and turn it off. Disabling that filter ensures the platform won't hide activity that occurs outside the regular market session. This is important because even if you enable extended hours elsewhere, a time filter here can prevent those candles from appearing. Click OK to apply and close the settings window. With the groundwork set, move to the top of the chart and open the Style menu. In that menu, enable the option to show extended hours trading. When this is on, your chart will include pre-market and after-hours candles, typically shaded differently from the regular session, so they're easy to spot. At this point, scan your chart. You should see pre-market data populating before the opening bell and after-hours data following the close. If you don't see anything, it may be that the market is currently closed, the symbol doesn't trade much in extended hours, or your zoom level is too tight. Pan back or adjust the intraday interval to make those sessions visible. A quick tip for clarity. Once extended hours are visible, consider noting where the regular session opens to compare pre-market moves against the day's initial range. Also remember that pre-market liquidity can be lower and spreads wider, so interpret moves with that context in mind. That's it. You've enabled pre-market trading visibility on ThinkorSwim and can toggle it anytime from the Style menu.